Russia's Federal Security Service says it has thwarted what it calls a Ukrainian intelligence-backed sabotage campaign, targeting critical infrastructure inside the country. From railway lines in Crimea to arson attacks in Moscow and Chuvashia, the FSB claims Kiev's handlers are increasingly recruiting young Russians, including minors, to carry out acts of terror. In Sevastopol, a 19-year-old man was detained after allegedly attempting to sabotage railway and power facilities. Investigators say he conducted reconnaissance of transport and energy infrastructure, attempted to break into a railway relay cabinet, and tried to set fire to electrical installations. The FSB claims the suspect acted under instructions from Ukrainian handlers and was psychologically pressured by phone scammers posing as law enforcement.
It has been established that a 19-year-old man, acting on instructions from Ukrainian handlers, arrived in Sevastopol and conducted reconnaissance of transport and fuel and energy facilities.
But the Sevastopol case is not isolated. In a parallel operation, the FSB says it dismantled a network involving 4 teenagers aged between 15 and 17 in Moscow and Chuvashia. The minors allegedly carried out arson attacks on police vehicles and shopping centers after being lured through online chats and dating platforms.
Ukrainian intelligence services recruited 4 teenagers through online dating sites and chat rooms, persuading them to commit illegal acts under false pretenses.
According to investigators, the teenagers were first contacted by individuals posing as women online. They were later threatened by fake law enforcement officers, told they had aided Ukraine, and coerced into committing arson to avoid prosecution, a tactic the FSB describes as deliberate psychological manipulation.
They were convinced that committing these crimes was part of an anti-terrorist security check.
Russian authorities say the cases reveal a broader pattern, what they describe as Kiev's covert strategy to destabilize Russia from within by exploiting vulnerable youth. Criminal cases have been opened under terrorism-related articles, carrying sentences of up to 20 years. The FSB has warned citizens, especially parents, to remain vigilant, stressing that Russian law enforcement never conducts operations via messaging apps.